How to fix this video is not available in your region on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to fix this video is not available in your region on YouTube on Android. Without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Next, you need to simply open your phone settings. Scroll down and navigate to Apps. Tap on App Management and you need to search for YouTube. Tap Search bar at top of your screen and type in YouTube. Open YouTube App Info page. Here you simply need to scroll down and tap on Storage Uses and tap on Clear Cache. Come back and look for the updates of YouTube. For that, you need to head towards Play Store or App Store and search for YouTube app. If there is any update button, tap Update and update to the latest version. Once you have done that, make sure YouTube as default. Once you have done that, this should fix not available in your region issues on YouTube. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.